My name is Selena Weigel Elias Varga. I am a postpartum doula and sexual wholeness mentor. How I engage with mental health disorders is primarily PMADS, perinatal mood and anxiety disorders. So, most often I'm witnessing clients with postpartum anxiety. Honestly, that's the primary thing that I support and work with. And also trained to identify postpartum dysphoria, postpartum depression, in opposition to just a case of the baby blues. Baby blues. So, how I feel about mental health diagnoses, I feel that it can be empowering to name something. A lot of my clients comment feeling not themselves, feeling turned off, feelings like something isn't present. And when we do get an official diagnosis, I'm not permitted to do the diagnosis. I'm trained to identify and have PMAD specialists on speed dial. And I have the authority to schedule client appointments for my clients. So in that, once we do get a diagnosis, it can be really relieving. Like, it wasn't me. It wasn't my baby being challenging. Oh, it's a thing, and we can treat it with talk therapy, or we can treat it with anti-anxiety meds, or whatever their practitioner calls for. So I find that diagnoses can be validating and can help the process of healing. Beyond that, I think I'm really neutral. It hasn't been my place to diagnose, just to help people who are struggling get help. There was one more question, and I can't find it, and I hope that I've answered everything. I'm looking forward to this term. Nice to meet you all, and see you soon.